Hey people, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to lock apps on Android. So first of all, go for your Play Store app. Then search here AppLock. Then in the second AppLock, go for it and you have to install this AppLock app, which is AppLock Fingerprint Lock. Then when you have installed this one, then go for open. Okay, now you have to choose your language here. You can skip this one. Wait for a second. Now in this activate fingerprint option, go for it. Then go for app lock. Now you can lock apps from here. If I go for this Chrome and locked it, so I have already locked settings and Google Play Store. Then and now I just locked this one Chrome, and you can see in this locked apps these three are available here. Then go back and you can activate this fingerprint also, and go back again. If I go for here in this Chrome, and you can see I have this app lock here, and it's done. So guys, this is how you can lock apps on Android. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.